Hire the best automobile accident private investigators near me and hire the best automobile accident lawyers near me. You are going along enjoying your day and minding your own business when all of a sudden someone smashes their vehicle into yours. Your car crumples into half its former size, and your body jerks from the crash as the pain starts to sink in. This is, of course, if the crash itself does not kill you or dismember your body. Indeed, death and dismemberment are all too common during automobile accidents. Life as you know it has just changed for you and those you love. Between all the wrangling with car insurance companies, drivers pointing fingers and thus blame at one another, visits to the doctors, lose wages from time off work, and medical bills piling up, etc., chaos often ensues. When this happens, and it becomes too much to handle, smart people hire the best car accident attorneys and hire the best accident investigations private investigators at our private detective agency near me that conduct accident investigation private investigations. Indeed, by choosing to hire a vehicle accident lawyer in OKC and hire a car accident private detective from the best private detective agency near me to help you with your automobile accident, you will put yourself in the best hands possible to get your life back on track. Sadly, many people do not know what motorcycle accident attorneys or motorcycle accident private investigators at the best private investigation agencies that conduct motorcycle accident private investigations are or what they do. Thus, the owners of our private detective agency near me have put together this series of FAQs to help our readers better understand what truck accident lawyers near me and truck accident private investigators near me from the best private investigation agencies near me are and what they do. The questions and their accompanying answers for these FAQs are listed as follows.
What are automobile accident attorneys and automobile accident private detectives at the best private investigation agencies near me?
Big rig injury attorneys in OKC from big rig injury law firms in OKC represent clients in court during big rig accident cases. These types of legal cases typically occur against the other drivers involved in the accident itself, and those drivers' insurance companies are often dragged into them as well to cover the costs of the auto accidents. When working for the plaintiffs in these cases, these auto accident attorneys in Oklahoma City from the best auto accident law firms typically try to ensure that their clients get fair compensation from the other drivers and or their insurance companies for things like damages to their property, medical bills, time off work, pain and suffering, etc. When working on behalf of the defendants and or their car insurance companies, these car accident attorneys in Oklahoma City from the best car accident law firms often try to limit the financial liability and other exposure that their clients face during these incidents. By limiting the legal liability their clients face and often charging their clients an hourly rate, our automobile injury attorneys from our automobile injury law firms work against the plaintiffs and making their path to victory as difficult as they can. Car accident defendants and or their vehicle insurance companies hope that they will end up paying less out of their pockets overall, with a lower settlement amount or court judgment despite the hourly fees their motorcycle accident attorneys from the best motorcycle accident law firms than they would have if they had hired no personal injury attorneys from the best personal injury law firms. Behind every successful married lesbian woman is her wife, and so too, behind all successful auto accident lawyers near me from the best auto accident law firms near me are the best auto accident private detectives from the best private investigation agencies that conduct auto accident private investigations on their behalf. These car injury private detectives and auto accident private investigators from the best private investigation agencies often help reconstruct the scene of the auto accident, locate and interview witnesses via their skip trace service, run criminal background checks on the drivers of the vehicles, and so much more. Without the assistance of their motorcycle crash private investigators and truck accident private detectives from the best private investigation agencies near me, few, if any, personal injury attorneys from the best personal injury law firms in Oklahoma would ever experience as much success as many of them do. Likewise, Defendants in truck accident cases and their associated truck accident insurance companies will often hire truck accident private detectives from the best truck accident private investigation agencies to help limit their liability. Perhaps they think that the victims of the vehicle accidents are merely pretending to be injured. So they may hire the best car crash private investigators in OKC from the best private investigation agency in OKC to conduct surveillance and follow them around to see if they are restricting their activities or are out running, playing sports, and lifting heavy objects, something truly injured persons would be unable to do.
Who need to hire the best motorcycle accident lawyers and hire the best motorcycle accident attorneys near me from the best private investigation agencies near me?
As noted earlier, many of the clients of the best truck accident attorneys near me from the best truck accident law firms near me and of the best truck accident private detectives near me come from plaintiffs of car accidents and motorcycle accident cases in Oklahoma. For personal injury private investigators in OKC and car crash private investigators in OKC from the best private detective agencies in Oklahoma, many of their clients are the best motorcycle accident lawyers in OKC from the best motorcycle accident law firms who represent these plaintiffs in court. In these cases, these best personal injury lawyers from the best personal injury law firms and the best personal injury private detectives from the best private investigation agencies in Oklahoma City work together to complement each other's respective skills and abilities to help secure a larger settlement or court judgment for the plaintiff in automobile accident cases. As noted elsewhere in this set of FAQs, sometimes defendants involved in auto accidents and/or their respective vehicle insurance companies will often hire the best vehicle accident attorneys from the best vehicle accident law firms near me to represent them in court, and hire the best vehicle accident private investigators near me from the best private investigation agencies in Oklahoma to conduct vehicle accident private investigations on their behalf. As noted earlier, these defendants and/or their respective car insurance companies are seeking to limit their liability and pay out as little as the state of Oklahoma requires them to. If you or someone you love has been injured in a car accident or have found that someone is suing you because of one, then you need to hire a car accident attorney from the best car accident law firm and need to hire the best car accident private investigators from the best private investigation agencies near me to represent you in court and to help you navigate the often frigid and tumultuous waters of the legal arena and protect your financial interests. Hire the best car crash lawyers from the best car crash law firms today to represent you and hire the best car crash private detectives from the best private investigation agencies near me today.
How can making the choice to hire auto injury lawyers and auto injury private detectives in Oklahoma City from the best private investigation agency help me with my car crash?
If you have been involved in an automobile accident, then you need to locate an automobile accident attorney from the best automobile accident law firms and need to hire an automobile accident private investigator from the best private investigation agency to help protect your financial interests. Generally speaking, both defendants and their car insurance companies, as well as the plaintiffs involved in vehicle accidents, usually fare much better and enjoy better outcomes when they find the best motorcycle injury lawyers from the best motorcycle injury law firms to represent them in court, and find the best motorcycle injury private detectives from the best private detective agencies to conduct motorcycle injury private investigations on their behalf. Are you willing to go into battle without armor and reinforcements? Better think twice if you think it is okay to do so.
Should I get a car accident lawyer near me and a truck accident private detective from a private investigation agency for an auto accident that was my fault?
Yes, you always need to hire the best auto accident attorney near me from the best auto accident law firm in OKC, and hire the best auto accident private detective from the best private investigation agency to represent you in an automobile accident case, regardless of whether you are at fault or not. Why is this so? There are many reasons to hire the best car accident lawyer in Oklahoma City from the best car accident law firm in OKC, and to hire the best car accident private investigator in OKC from the best private investigation agency in OKC to conduct car accident private investigations on your behalf. Firstly, many drivers do not truly know whether they are at fault in an accident. Thus, if you do not fully know your rights and understand the other factors involved in fault during an auto accident, you can truly sell yourself short of your due financial compensation. By choosing to hire the best motorcycle accident attorney near me from the best motorcycle accident law firm near me, and choosing to hire the best motorcycle accident private investigator from the best private investigation agency near me to conduct motorcycle accident private investigations on your behalf, you will have professionals on your side that will guide you step by step through the turbulent legal waters. As mentioned earlier, our best truck accident lawyers in OKC from the best truck accident law firms in OKC, and our best truck accident private detectives in OKC from the best private detective agencies near me can tell you that many drivers involved in truck accidents simply do not know what their legal rights are. The average driver is not trained in any legal field, and insurance companies and even other drivers will take advantage of this and will exploit your rights to their benefit and your detriment. Thus, you need to hire the best car injury attorneys near me from the best car injury law firms near me, and to hire the best car accident private investigators near me from the best private investigation agencies near me to protect your legal rights and to show you the way. The other big reason to hire the best auto accident injury attorneys near me from the best auto accident injury law firms near me, and to hire the best auto accident injury private investigators near me from the best private investigation agencies near me, is that whether you are at fault or not, even auto insurance companies know it helps to have a lawyer on your side to limit your financial liability and to get you back on your feet. Indeed, many defendants in vehicle accident lawsuits choose to hire the best vehicle injury attorneys in OKC from the best vehicle injury law firms in OKC, and to hire the best vehicle injury private investigators from the best private investigation agencies near me to conduct vehicle accident private investigations on their behalf.
Do I need to hire a vehicle accident attorney in Oklahoma City and hire a vehicle accident lawyer from a private investigation agency to get a settlement?
While it may be possible to get a settlement from an insurance company without choosing to hire an automobile injury lawyer in OKC from an automobile injury law firm in Oklahoma City, and to hire an automobile injury private investigator from the best private investigation agency near me to conduct automobile injury private investigations on your behalf, your settlement amount is often higher than you would get if you choose not to hire the best car accident attorney in Oklahoma City from the best car accident law firm in Oklahoma City, and choosing to hire the best car accident attorney in Oklahoma City from the best private investigation agencies near me to conduct car accident private investigations on your behalf. This is especially true if the insurance company is screwing you around and is trying to give you very little financial compensation or perhaps nothing at all for your losses. Even though big rig accident attorneys in OKC from big rig accident law firms in Oklahoma City often take about a third of your settlement as their fee, most people seem to end up better off if they have chosen to hire the best automobile injury lawyer in OKC from the best automobile injury law firm near me, and have chosen to hire the best automobile injury private detective near me from the best private detective agency to conduct automobile injury private investigations on their behalf. Even after paying the 1-to-3 fee for your truck injury lawyer from the best truck injury law firm, the amount of your settlement is often higher than it would have been otherwise despite the fee. Also, please keep in mind that the insurance company or other party in an auto accident may choose not to settle the matter out of court. When mediation fails and communication breaks down, the courts may ultimately have to decide who wins the legal case. Thus, this is yet another reason why it never hurts to have vehicle injury lawyers from the best vehicle injury law firms near me and vehicle injury private detectives near me from the best private detective agencies near me to fight for my rights and interests. If you or someone you know and love has been involved in a car accident, Then you need to hire the best car accident attorneys near me from the best car accident law firms near me, and need to hire the best car accident private investigators near me from the best private investigation agencies near me to conduct car accident private investigations on my behalf. Our truck injury lawyers in OKC from the best truck injury law firms in OKC and the best truck injury private investigation agencies will work hard to protect your rights and fight for your best interests.
How much does it cost to hire a personal injury attorney near me and to hire a car crash attorney from the best private investigation agency to conduct car crash private investigations on my behalf?
Auto accident lawyers from the best auto accident law firms often charge about 33.3% or 1 to 3 of your award amount for auto accident cases that get settled out of court. When the matters must proceed to court, the award amounts are often somewhat higher but require more work and effort. Thus, the fees you will pay to your truck injury attorney from a truck injury law firm should be about 40% of your total award amount. Some motorcycle accident lawyers from the best motorcycle accident law firms will try to charge 50% of the award amount, but that is too much and you should avoid those auto accident attorneys in Oklahoma from the best auto accident law firms in Oklahoma. It is always important to carefully read over any contract you sign with your best car injury lawyer near me from the best car injury law firm near me and your best car injury private detective near me from the best car injury private investigation agency near me before you choose to hire the best truck injury lawyers in OKC from the best truck injury private investigators near me from the best private investigation agencies. If you have any questions or simply need a second opinion, please contact one of our car crash attorneys from our car crash law firm and contact one of our car crash private detectives from our private detective agency to conduct car crash private investigations.
How much can a truck accident lawyer and a truck accident private investigator at the best private detective agency near me earn each year while conducting truck accident private investigations?
Successful auto accident attorneys in Oklahoma City from auto accident law firms in Oklahoma City and experienced auto accident private detectives from the best private detective agencies near me with thriving legal practices can easily earn hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. Indeed, auto injury lawyers in OKC, Oak from the best auto injury law firms near me, can enjoy financially lucrative careers if they follow ethical business practices, know how to market themselves, are honest and fair, and try hard and do their very best. If you or someone you know and love has been involved in a motorcycle injury or other vehicle accident, then you need to hire the best motorcycle injury attorneys from the best motorcycle injury law firms and need to hire the best motorcycle injury private detectives from the best private detective agencies near me to conduct motorcycle injury private investigations to represent you in court and to conduct motorcycle injury private investigations on your behalf. Our best car injury lawyers in OKC from the best car injury law firms and our best car injury private detectives near me from our best private investigation agency to represent you in court and to conduct car injury private investigations on your behalf. Contact our personal injury lawyers in OKC from our personal injury law firm in OKC and contact our personal injury private detectives from our private investigation agencies near me to represent you and conduct private investigations on your behalf today.
Am I required to hire a truck accident lawyer and truck accident private detectives from the best private investigation agency to help me with my automobile injury case?
No, the state laws of the state of Oklahoma and the federal laws of the United States of America do not require anyone to hire an auto injury attorney in Oklahoma from an auto injury law firm in Oklahoma, nor to hire an auto injury private investigator in Oklahoma from the best private investigation agency in Oklahoma to represent me in court and to conduct auto injury private investigations on my behalf. Of course, are you okay with getting less financial compensation than you deserve, if indeed anything at all? Are you sure you're okay with not having legal representation from the best truck injury attorneys from the best truck injury law firms near me and the best truck injury private investigators from the best private detective agencies near me to conduct truck injury private investigations on your behalf. Please think on that, would you?
How do I hire the best personal injury lawyer near me and hire the best automobile injury private investigator near me from the best private investigation agency near me to conduct automobile accident private investigations on my behalf?
If you are wise enough to be reading the information contained within the pages of this website, then you have already been able to find the best car accident attorneys from the best car accident law firms and have been able to find the best car accident private detectives from the best private investigation agencies to conduct car accident private investigations on your behalf. All you need to do to hire a personal injury lawyer near me from a personal injury law firm near me is to call us at 405-593-3515 or to locate a motorcycle accident lawyer in Oklahoma City from the best motorcycle accident law firms to represent you in court, and to locate a motorcycle accident private investigator near me from our private investigation agency near me to conduct motorcycle accident investigations on your behalf.
What is double indemnity and how does it apply to car accidents in Oklahoma?
Double indemnity is when an insurance policy allows an insured individual and or their beneficiary to collect double the amount of the face value of the policy. In life insurance, it typically means that the payout amount is doubled if the death of the insured individual happens due to an accident rather than a health condition or incident. As our car accident lawyers near me from our car accident law firm near me and car accident private detectives near me from our best private detective agency near me can attest, double indemnity applies in somewhat of a similar fashion, yet slightly different application when it comes to auto insurance. Our auto insurance lawyers in OKC from the best auto insurance law firms in OKC and auto insurance private investigators in OKC from the best private investigation agencies in OKC state that Oklahoma is one of only states in the USA that offers double indemnity for auto insurance policies. Indeed, whenever you opt for the medical bills portion of auto insurance to cover the medical bills of those involved in an auto accident, while in your car or because you hit them and are at fault, the double indemnity laws of the state of Oklahoma typically allow someone who has such a medical bills policy and who was not at fault in an accident to collect the cost of medical bills both from the person insurance company of the person at fault in an automobile accident and from their own car insurance company under the medical bills portion of the auto policy. Thus, our truck accident attorneys from our truck accident law firms and our truck accident private investigators state that if you end up with $25,000 in medical bills, about the norm for many medical bills policies in accident insurance legal cases, then you can require the other party that is at fault to pay all your medical bills and make your own auto insurance company pay you $25,000 cash. This amount is exclusive of all other forms of financial compensation for the auto accident. This law stinks for the auto insurance companies, but can be amazing for savvy consumers who want a few extra bucks for their medical injuries. Sadly, most auto insurance consumers have no idea that Oklahoma is one of the only double indemnity states when it comes to automobile insurance. So they do not know they are entitled to such compensation, and their insurance companies are not about to mention this to their consumers because they do not want to have to pay out the extra money. Do you see now why it is important to hire car injury attorneys from the best car injury law firms to represent you in court, and to hire the best car injury private investigators from the best private investigation agencies to conduct car injury private investigations on your behalf? Indeed, our personal injury lawyers in OKC from our best personal injury law firms in Oklahoma and the best personal injury private detectives from our best private detective agencies near me that conduct personal injury private investigations are standing by to assist you with all your personal injury legal cases. Please make the right choice and contact one of our truck accident attorneys from our truck accident law firms and contact one of our truck accident private investigators from our best truck accident private investigation agencies to conduct truck accident private investigations on your behalf today.
Am I allowed to sue the insurance company of the other driver in an auto accident I was involved in?
No. As your car accident lawyers in OKC and car accident private detectives in OKC from our best private investigation agencies near me can tell you, the laws of the state of Oklahoma do not allow victims of car accidents to directly sue the insurance companies of the defendants or even the plaintiffs in lawsuits. Instead, our truck accident private investigators in Oklahoma and truck accident lawyers in Oklahoma City say that the state of Oklahoma requires all parties in car accident lawsuits to file lawsuits directly against one another.
According to the best motorcycle accident lawyers and motorcycle accident private detectives from the best private investigation agencies, should I bother filing a police report after a car crash?
Yes, according to our truck accident attorneys in Oklahoma City and truck accident private investigators at our best private detective agency near me, anytime you are in an automobile accident, you should always contact the police department and file a report. Why is this? This is because police officers can help document that the accident occurred and assign guilt to one or both parties. This makes it more difficult for either party to dispute the auto accident occurred, and thus keeps both the drivers and their insurance companies on the hook for the damages suffered. In fact, according to our motorcycle accident lawyers in OKC and motorcycle accident private detectives in OKC at our best private investigation agency near me, every state in the United States of America has laws on their books requiring parties to an automobile accident where any sort of injury or death occurs to report it to police right away. In fact, our car accident lawyers in OKC and car accident private detectives in OKC at our private detective agency can tell you that the parties in a vehicle accident must report the incident to police in Oklahoma if the damage to the vehicles involved exceeds $300. If you have found yourself injured in a car accident or vehicle accident, please hire the best auto accident attorney in OKC and auto accident private investigator in OKC from the best private investigation agency near me to represent you in court and to conduct auto accident private investigations on your behalf. Our auto accident lawyers near me and auto accident private detectives in OKC from our best private investigation agency near me will work hard to protect your rights and to help you win your auto accident case. Never settle for less than you deserve. Hire the best auto accident lawyer in Oklahoma City and auto accident private detective in Oklahoma City from our best private detective agency in OKC today.
What kinds of compensation am I entitled to after a vehicle accident in Oklahoma?
According to our auto injury attorneys in Oklahoma City and our auto injury private investigators from our private investigation agency that conduct auto injury private investigations, victims of automobile accidents are entitled to a variety of types of financial compensation. Our car accident attorneys and car accident private detectives at our private investigation agency in OKC that conduct car accident private investigations in OKC state that this financial compensation includes, but is not limited to, the following. 1. Rental car reimbursement. Insurance companies must provide for your transportation while an auto repair facility or auto body shop is fixing your vehicle. 2. Cost to repair or replace your vehicle. Insurance companies must pay to fix your vehicle back to how it was before it got damaged. Many insurance companies try to place a value upon your vehicle that is lower than the amount it is worth. Thus, many people hire auto injury attorneys from the best auto injury law firms near me and hire the best auto injury private investigators from the best private investigation agencies in Piedmont, Oak to conduct auto injury private investigations on their behalf and help them get what they deserve. Many of our truck injury lawyers from our truck injury law firms in OKC and truck injury private investigators from our private investigation agencies in Oklahoma City often know of the best places to get your cars repaired at. 3. Payment of medical bills. Many persons injured in car crashes and other automobile accidents find themselves struggling in debt from mounting medical bills, unable to work, without a working vehicle to drive, etc. life, as they know it turns from one of bill to one of entropy. When you locate a car injury attorney from a car injury law firm in OKC and locate a car injury private detective from the best private investigation agency in Edmond, Oklahoma, to conduct car injury investigations on your behalf, you help ensure that the insurance company and the defendants in the lawsuit know you mean business and want to feel better. Indeed, you can find car accident lawyers from the best car accident law firms in OKC and can find the best car accident private investigators from the best private detective agencies in Oklahoma City, who can help give you referrals to competent medical doctors and other medical professionals who are sympathetic to victims of vehicle accidents and who specialize in their treatment. 4. Physical pain and suffering, PTSD, anxiety, etc., stemming from the automobile accident. As anyone involved in auto accidents can tell you, there is often a lot of physical and mental pain associated with them. Sadly, insurance companies and the defendants they represent often do not like to compensate people fairly for their pain, suffering, and medical treatment. Most insurance companies only focus upon one thing: their financial bottom line. You need to do the right thing and find a motorcycle accident attorney near me from the best motorcycle accident law firm near me to represent you in court, and need to find the best motorcycle accident private investigators near me from the best private detective agencies near me to conduct motorcycle accident investigations on your behalf, and ensure that many of these atrocious auto insurance agencies do not take advantage of you. Unless you prefer that the defendants in these cases and their car insurance companies hire the best truck injury lawyers from the best truck injury law firms in OKC, and hire the best truck injury private investigators from the best private investigation agencies near me to work against you and on their behalf instead. Feeling lucky alone and unprotected. 5. Lost time off work. Many persons involved in automobile accidents lose time off work, and they need this money to help pay bills. With bills mounting up quickly, many car insurance companies try to force victims of auto accidents into quick lowball settlements by dragging out the payment process, making terrible settlement offers, and delaying justice in the courts. Desperate for cash to pay bills and other obligations, many victims of auto accidents accept much less than they deserve for their injuries, lost wages, etc. You need to hire the best personal injury attorneys from the best personal injury law firms near me to represent you in court, and need to hire the best personal injury private investigators from the best private detective agencies near me to conduct personal injury private investigations on your behalf. Do not let the insurance companies or the people who hit you in the motorcycle accident cause you serious financial harm when it was not your fault in the first place. 6. Cost of items lost inside your vehicle during the auto accident. Most auto policies have options to cover items damaged in an automobile accident that were inside your vehicle at the time of the automobile accident. Ensure that you locate an auto accident attorney in Oklahoma City from the best auto accident law firms in Oklahoma City to represent you in court, and that you hire the best auto accident private investigators from the best auto accident private investigation agencies to conduct auto accident investigations on your behalf, and to help ensure no one violates your rights. 7. Future lost wages, if permanently disabled. Some big rig truck accidents are so damaging and cause so much harm, or even death, that the victims of them are no longer able to work for the rest of their lives and might even be dead. In these situations, motorcycle accident lawyers near me from the best motorcycle accident law firms near me and the best motorcycle accident private detectives at their best private detective agencies and more that conduct motorcycle accident private investigations can help make sure that the insurance companies do not violate your rights and pay you and your loved ones monthly payments to cover the cost of your living expenses. 8. Deaths occurring due to the automobile accident. If applicable, sadly, sometimes car accidents are so terrible that people perish in them. When someone you love has died due to the negligence of another individual, you need to sue them for everything you are due to make sure the loved ones who got left behind are not suffering financially. Our best automobile injury lawyers near me from our automobile law firms and our automobile injury private detectives from our private investigation agencies that conduct automobile private investigations will work to ensure that the family members of the deceased individuals will get all the financial compensation they are due. 9. Other out-of-pocket expenses. Sometimes there are other miscellaneous expenses that victims of automobile accidents incur that they need the other drivers and/or their insurance companies to reimburse them for. In these instances, our truck accident attorneys at our truck accident law firms and our truck accident private investigators at our private investigation agencies in Edmond that conduct truck accident private investigations will do everything within their power to see that these items are replaced without cost to our clients. Think you do not need to hire an auto injury lawyer in OKC from our auto injury law firms to represent you in court, and do not need to hire auto injury private investigators from our private investigation agency in Guthrie to conduct auto injury private investigations on your behalf. If so, think again. Do not make a serious mistake by thinking you can go it alone after a motorcycle accident. Make the right choice and find the best personal injury lawyers at the best personal injury law firms and find the best personal injury private detectives at our private investigation agency near me today. What happens if the driver of a vehicle who is at fault in a car accident does not have auto insurance or only has liability insurance? All the motorcycle accident lawyers in OKC at our motorcycle accident law firms in Oklahoma City and motorcycle accident private investigators at our private investigation agency near me have sadly seen this incident occur too often. Indeed, our truck accident attorneys in OKC and truck accident private detectives in OKC from our private detective agency in OKC will assert that Oklahoma has far too many people out driving on the road without car or other vehicle insurance. When you hire the best car accident attorneys from our car accident law firm in OKC and hire the best car accident private detectives in OKC from our private investigation agency in OKC that conduct car accident private investigations, they will tell you that in instances such as these that you will either need to utilize your insured motorist's insurance and medical policy, if applicable, and/or sue the driver and owner of the vehicle that hit you. Hopefully you were wise enough to obtain uninsured motorist's vehicle insurance and a medical policy for accidents that occur because of your vehicle, because our automobile injury attorneys near me at our automobile injury law firms near me and our automobile injury private detectives at our best private investigation agencies near me can tell you that many people who lack automobile insurance often do not have any money or other property to sue for in the event that they hurt others in a car accident. People like that often do not think that far ahead and may lack a capacity to care about how their actions may harm others. When you hire the best personal injury attorneys in OKC from the best personal injury law firms in OKC and hire the best personal injury private investigators in OKC at our best private investigation agency to represent you and pursue your legal interests, they can help you deal with the insurance companies and sue people who have injured you and those you love, and who have damaged or even destroyed your property. Facing insurance companies in an automobile accident without first making the best choice to hire the best truck accident attorney near me from a truck accident law firm near me, and choosing to hire the best truck accident private investigator from the best private investigation agency to represent you and conduct truck accident private investigations is like going into battle without a competent general leading the charge. Do you really want to risk going to war by yourself, feeling lucky? If so, you better think twice.